Do you have an MBOX file on your system and want to open it in Microsoft Outlook? Since Outlook does not support MBOX files directly, you need to convert them into PST format. So, how can you do this quickly and safely? vMail MBOX to PST Converter is a simple and effective solution that helps you convert MBOX files without any data loss. With this tool, you can export your MBOX data into formats like PST, EML, MSG, HTML, and more. To download this software, go to Google and search for vMail MBOX to PST Converter. From the search results, open the official vMail website. This is the official website of vMail software. Here, click on the free download button to download the trial version. Once the software is successfully downloaded on your device, double-click on the X file to begin the installation process. In the installation wizard, follow the simple on-screen instructions, and the software will be installed successfully. After installation, right-click on the software icon. Now, this is the user-friendly interface of the vMail MBOX to PST Converter. Now click on the Add File or Add Folder option to upload your MBOX file. Browse your system, select the desired file, and click on OK. The software will scan your file and display all emails with a preview option. You can check your data before proceeding further. After that, click on the Convert button. Choose a location on your system where you want to save the converted file. Now select PST as the output format. Finally, click on Convert Now to start the process. Within a short time, your MBOX file will be successfully converted into PST format. This is how you can easily migrate your MBOX data into Outlook using vMail Converter. Thanks for watching.